Hey everyone, this is already from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today I'm recreating a bass called Crunchline, and it sounds like this. If you want to listen to the original preset without sidechain, with the MIDI. Now we're going to activate the sidechain. Really nice if you want to add some crunch to your bass lines, and if you want to get it, you can get it over here in the description below in the Serum 2 Afro House presets that you can find at Production Music Live's website. But now let's get started with this tutorial, and let's get started with the sound design. We're going to initialize Serum over here, and we're going to deactivate the shape blocks. So it sounds really boring. So now we need to first choose here a DS saw wave, which is as it is, -1. And we're going to put the unison to 4. But the detune is going to go all the way down. The detune is pretty much how spread the voicings are. So you can see that if you have a higher detune, we have more voices and they're more spread out. This goes for a little bit less detune in the sound. Now we're also going to go and put the pan a bit to the left. Why are we doing this? We're going to hear the sound a bit more on the left now. We're going to go here in the LFO, and we're going to choose here an envelope 1/4. We're going to put the smooth all the way up, and you can see that that pretty much settles this in the middle. And now we're going to put this all the way here and put this to 14. Somewhere like this, yeah. That's about it. Now we're going to go to Oscillator B, and in Oscillator B, we're going to choose a default shapes. We're going to choose a saw wave, and we're going to put the unison to 2. But the tune is going to go all the way down. And this is going to go a little bit to the right. Now the level of this one is going to go a bit down. Somewhere like this. But we're going to do something different here. We're going to choose FM from the sub. And just so you can hear the effect, we're going to first select the sub. And we're going to put this all the way down and just pretty much as it is. Now we're going to go and increase the sound just so you can listen to it. See how it changes the sound completely? It creates a little bit of like a crisp in the sound, which is really nice. Now, in addition to that, we're also going to select here another DS saw. -1 again, and we're going to put this over here again to 4. We're going to leave this one at 1, but we're going to put the fine a bit off. This is going to create a bit of detune because now these are not in full unison. And a little bit down as well. Now, this is a bit sounding not much as what we want. We're going to go here into the envelope, and we're going to pretty much put the sustain all the way down. The decay a bit up. And the release a bit up as well. And you can see how this changes a lot the sound that we want, because it gives a little bit of room for the sound to breathe because of the release over here. Now filter to change it a little bit. We're going to go here into multi and select an HP12. But we're going to put the wet all the way down. Even though this is deactivated, you can see that when we boost the drive, there's still a big change here. There's not going to be any change here because this is deactivated. If this was here, then this would be changing. But since this deactivated, just the drive is enough. You can select A and B, but again, it's not going to change anything. And then you also have to select A and B. Why if it's not affecting everything? Yeah, because the drive is still going through. So this is now, now the drive is impacting A and B. And to finish everything, we're going to go here into effects. We're going to start by selecting a compressor. Just lowering the threshold a little bit. Rate a bit down so it doesn't compress as much. A bit less attack, so it covers a bit of the attack as well. But we're gonna go and get a really big release. So you can see how the first note hits a bit harder. Pretty much because of this. A bit of gain. And that's about it. Now we're also gonna go and select a delay. Ping pong, so it goes left and right. 1/8. Last feedback, so the delay doesn't stay for longer. A bit less on the Q. And a bit lower as well in the frequency. But really just a touch. Now, if you want to listen to this in context with sidechain, just a simple sidechain. But there's one cool thing over here if you go into the original preset, which are the macros and the modulation in the mod wheel, which essentially just gives you extra modulation. So if you're going to get all this, you can get it over here in the description below. And that's it. This is Leo from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.